Hey everyone and welcome. Today we have a quick fix for this door checker or door stopper. The purpose of this part is to hold our door wherever we want, but because it's a rear door, water can sit here for a long time because we're not using it very often, and then rust start penetrating the metal like you can see here. So first of all, it's very hard to open the door. And second, it doesn't look very good. So I have here a new part, and what I'm going to do is to open the door trim. And then with those 3 bolts, 1, 2, and 3, take the old part out and use the new one. Start by unscrew all the screws holding the door trim. Remove the caps of the screw. Unscrew the trim screw. Using a clip removal tool or a screwdriver, carefully remove the handle bezel from the door. And we have here another screw hidden behind this trim part. We have another 2 screws at the bottom part of the trim, and another hidden one with a cap on the other part. Now unclip the trim carefully and work your way around the trim. Lift the trim upwards and put it aside. For better access, I removed the connector of the window motor. Although this vehicle is 14 years old, the waterproof cover is still complete, and we want to keep it that way. So carefully remove the cover by peeling it from the glue, just enough to access the hole that's behind the cover. Pay attention that if it's hot outside, the glue can be very sticky and stick to your hands. Remove the first bolt that holds the stopper to the pillar. Now remove the remaining 2 bolts that holds the stopper to the door. Remove the old stopper from the door, working from the hole we just exposed. Now look at that! It's very rusty compared to the new one. I like to hold the new and old part side by side to make sure everything is similar and I didn't mistake when I took the part number. Now we install the new stopper in reverse order, starting with inserting it from the door outside to the pillar. Start tightening the pillar bolt with hand, but don't tighten it all the way yet. We want to have some room to align the stopper on the door side. Again, start with hand tightening the door side bolts. And then screw it all the way with tools. I like to use my ring ratchet set for places like this. It comes very handy and I will leave a link for a good set in the description below. Now we can go back to the first bolt and tighten it all the way. Now stick back the waterproof cover and make sure everything is tight. Good. Install the trim panel back on the door. We start with sliding it down near the windows. And then make sure the clips are aligned with their holes on the door. and push the trim until you hear the click sound. Good. Screw the door trim screws back in place. Return the door handle bezel back in place. Pay attention to slide it first and then push it so it clips back in the door. Now I don't know if you can see what I'm feeling, but the opening of the door is so much easier right now. Okay, that's all. If you enjoyed the video and it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like that.